ICU care equals machines, medicines, and teamwork. You might have seen these monitors in an ICU. They display a range of vital signs and are commonly known as vital monitors. The screen might look something like the image shown here. Let me break it down for you. The green line represents your respiratory rate. That is, the number of breaths you take per minute. The blue line shows the electrical activity of your heart, also known as the ECG or EKG. Alongside it, you'll see a number that indicates your heart rate, how many times your heart beats in a minute, which is 72 in this case. The red line displays your oxygen saturation level, which is the amount of oxygen in your blood. Here it shows 98%, which is considered a healthy level. Lastly, the orange reading shows your body temperature, measured in degrees Celsius. These readings help doctors continuously monitor a patient's condition and respond quickly if anything changes.